Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elena and today we're going to crochet another cosmetic product. This time it's a blush. Of course, I also made a powder puff so the toy makeup set is complete. Unfortunately, the puff doesn't fit inside. You have to keep it separately like this, but you can decorate the lid with the initials of the princess you're making it for. Mine says Crochet Therapy. If you follow me on social media, especially on Instagram, you probably saw in my story that I shared a version of this blush with this kind of lid. It looked like this. And yes, the puff fit inside, but I didn't really like it. It looked too much like a shell. I decorated it with a crab stitch and slip stitches, just to make the lid heavier and stay closed. If you only had one layer of the circle without any applique, bead, or anything sewn on, it would just stay lifted like this and wouldn't close properly. So I weighted it down with those slip stitches, but still, I wasn't quite happy with it. That's why I made a double lid, and this version holds perfectly. Unfortunately, the puff no longer fits inside, but I like this version much better. Christmas is coming, so you can crochet a healthy cosmetic playset. We have a blush, which we'll make today. And last time we made eyeshadow. I'll leave you a link under the video. We also made a Halloween version of nail polish and lipstick. Of course, you don't have to embroider a spider web, spider, or pumpkin face. On YouTube Shorts, I also showed a version with plastic eyes, a little nose, and a mouth, so you can make a complete cosmetic set as a Christmas gift. I think it would make a lovely present for little princesses. Now we're going to crochet this circle, both for the bottom and the lid, and we'll make a total of 4 circles. I'll show it using this yarn because the black one would be too hard to see on camera. The black yarn is Yarn Art Jeans, but for demonstration, I'll use this light coral yarn. It's thinner. It's Camilla 125 meters per 50 grams. And it'll look something like this. So you'll make 4 identical circles, all exactly the same. Let's start with a magic ring. Inside the magic ring, make 6 single crochets. Finish each round with 1 slip stitch and 1 chain. Now, round 2. In every stitch, make an increase of single crochet. Round 3. In the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, make an increase. Repeat this pattern all around. Round 4. In the first 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each. In the third stitch, make an increase. Repeat all the way around. Round 5. In the first 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each. In the fourth stitch, make an increase. Repeat until the end of the round. Round 6. In the first 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each. In the 5th stitch, make an increase. Repeat this pattern until the end of the round. Now we've finished round 6. Make these 6 round circles 4 times in total. That's the base and the lid, which you'll later sew together. Now we'll make a 5th circle, the same way, but in the color of the blush you want. For this one, we'll add 1 more round. So for the blush part, continue with round 7. In the first 5 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each. In the 6th stitch, make an increase. Repeat all the way around. Now we'll move on to the powder puff. Again, use Yarn Art Jeans yarn. Start with a magic ring. In the ring, make 6 single crochets. Finish each round with 1 slip stitch and 1 chain. Round 2, make an increase of single crochet in each stitch. Round 3, in the first stitch, 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, increase. Repeat all the way around. Round 4, in the first 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each. In the third stitch, make an increase. Repeat to the end of the round. Now we have 4 finished rounds. Make 2 of these circles for the puff, 1 top and 1 bottom. On the second circle, chain 13 chains and then work back down the chain with slip stitches. Now the puff handle is ready and we'll sew it together right away. Take your two circles, one with a shorter yarn tail, one with a longer, and let's sew them together. We'll sew by taking the back loop of the bottom piece and the front loop of the top piece. Sew all the way around without stuffing. Here I have a little kitten, so I'll sew the other half of these two the same way. Bottom piece, back loop, top piece, front loop, and sew them together completely. And we're done. I hope you liked it and that it turned out beautifully. I'll be happy if you give me a like. Leave a comment or share this video with others. Have a lovely day. Bye!